What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're in Indianapolis, Indiana. Obviously a little bit different than the normal videos I have. I'm going to be doing a vlog for the next, I don't know, a few days or so. I'm at the International Window Film Conference and Tint-Off. I'm going to be competing at the competition, and we're also going to be working a booth and then meeting a whole bunch of other people, doing some interviews, different things of that nature, shooting some interviews for the channel. So it's going to be a really fun and exciting week as well. Today is a little bit of a relaxed day. I'm actually here a day earlier because of the hurricane that's going on out in the Bahamas. I was supposed to be here tomorrow, but now I'm actually here today, Monday, a day earlier, because there was a chance that if I didn't leave earlier, then I would have been stuck in Florida till Thursday. There was a possibility. It looks like it's not even going to hit us or even get close. But now it's better to be safe than sorry, I guess. Today's kind of like a travel day, and I'm going to kind of see what we have going on in the area. Everyone pretty much gets here tomorrow, so there's a few guys here right now, but not many. I'm going to do my best on shooting a good quality vlog. If not, just document everything I see. I'm in the hotel, so now I'm going to go get my stuff unloaded and see if I can go find something to eat, because I am now starving. All right, awesome news. I have unpacked everything and I'm ready to get going and get out of here. I totally forgot that they have scooters, these Lime scooters that we had a blast on last year. I don't know if we're gonna get too much use out of them because literally convention center's like across the street. So I'm gonna hop on a Lime scooter and kind of zip around the city and see what's around here. I've been looking at some really cool stuff around here. This is actually a really cool area. The Colt Stadium is right down the street, and there's a lot of culture. It reminds me a lot of Cincinnati. I lived in Cincinnati for a while, and the downtown area here reminds me of Cincinnati, like a much larger version of the Cincinnati area. The weird thing is I was gonna go check out the movie theaters, kind of see what's playing, see if something to do for the evening, and I somehow have walked into this massive mall, like this massive 4-story mall, which is crazy. So I'm gonna check and see if there's any movies available, see something I want to see, because I don't think there's anything out right now. But if not, I guess I can go ahead and check out this mall, and worst case scenario, go back. I mean, I have been up since 4:30 this morning. It is now it's 3:40, so I've been up for a little bit, but I'm starting to get a little tired. But yeah, let's go ahead and keep exploring. But yeah. Alright, so I cruised around downtown here. This is actually a really cool place. Like, there's a lot going on, and there's stuff that, I don't even know what it is. It's clearly, historical stuff, but I have no clue what it is. This big monument thing in some circle area. There's, obviously the Colt Stadium's right here. They do the racing around here. So it's a really diverse and cultured area so far. So it looks really, really cool. I am exhausted. I got a burger over at Yard House, and then I took a Lime and scooted all around town, kind of just trying to get my bearings and kind of seeing where everything is at. So yeah, I think I don't know, I might rest up. It's only 4:30. The sun is still high in the air. I might go rest up a little bit and then go, I might head out tonight, maybe see a movie, or maybe go go to a bar or something like that, see who's around and whatnot. But yeah, as of right now, that's pretty much the end of the day for me. I won't be doing any nighttime vlogging or bringing my cameras at night, just because like this camera right here particularly doesn't do very well at night, and the GoPro does kind of good at night, but like all the GoPro shots you see today was on a mount that was on a backpack. So like I don't want to, like, I don't know, it'd be weird if I'm just walking around holding a camera. So I don't know. Plus, I think the nighttime is just going to be for me and have some fun and good times and kind of relax a little bit. So besides that, I'm working on shooting these vlogs. This vlog is probably not going to be the greatest vlog in the world. They will be getting better. I won't do, like, I'm not going to do like a daily vlog, right? But the vlogs that, you know, when I do something that's interesting and out of normal, then that's probably when, you know, I'll probably pick up the camera and shoot a vlog versus like a tutorial or a review or something of that nature. So, but as of right now, day one, getting into Indianapolis and getting out of the hurricane area and making sure that I can get into get to the competition and whatnot is accomplished. The next day, tomorrow, Mike and Robert come in. We're going to get settled in. It's actually the same room. I talked the hotel people into letting me stay in the same room that we're all staying in. So this same room here, we got to help set up the booth tomorrow, the Film Slingers booth, and then I have to register, and I have a competitors meeting tomorrow afternoon, and that is pretty much it scheduled for tomorrow. So that's the agenda then, and then pretty much the rest of the week goes. One day I'm going to be competing, and when I compete, after I compete, I can't be on the floor for like 2 hours, so it pretty much takes me off the floor for the rest of the day because the floor is only open for like 5 hours or something. So one day I'll compete and we'll talk about that, and I'll get off the floor and I'll go do something and shoot a video. And then the day that I'm not competing, I'm actually going to be walking around doing interviews with other people, industry leaders and other influentials, things of that nature, just to better broaden your knowledge of what goes on at the Tint-Off and conferences in case you're curious about coming. And then, let me see, the last day, hopefully I'll make the finals. If not, I'll probably shoot some of the finals. And then that's pretty much it. That would be the end of the vlog series for this trip, at least. So, all right, now I'm going to rest. I'll probably take a shower, rest. And then at some point, I'm either going to have to wake up in the morning and edit this vlog or do it later on this afternoon. Who knows? But I hope you guys liked it, and make sure to check out the other videos that we're going to have coming up shortly.